art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw baby Vaca Saturno Saturnita from Italian Brainrot. So first we're going to get started with the nose in the center, and we're going to start by drawing in a nice big sideways oval. Now we're going to move underneath for the mouth, drawing in a curved line, arching this around and up. Let's draw the nostrils on a diagonal. So on the right, we're going to draw in an oval. And then we're going to move across on the left and replicate that. Let's move up for the eyes now. So on the right-hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big oval. And then we're going to move over on the left and replicate that. In the top left-hand corner of our right eye, let's draw in a circle. And then we're going to do the same as we move across on the left. Now let's move down on a diagonal, drawing in another smaller circle. Let's move up for the right horn now. On the top, we're going to curve this line over and out. On the inside, bringing this over and up towards the top of our page. And then from that point, we're just going to bring this back around and down. Let's draw on the ear behind now. So we're going to arch this line around and up. And then again, from that point, just curving this over and across. And then now on the inside, we're going to arch this line over. Let's draw on the top of the head now. So we're going to curve this around. And we're going to bring this down in towards the middle of our mouth and nose. And then we'll do the same on the right, and we're just going to end that at roughly the same height. Now from here, for the horn on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up. And then again from that point, bringing this around and then back down. Now for the ear on the top, we're going to curve this line over and out. And then again from that point, bringing that across and back in. And then now from here, arching this line over and out. Let's draw in the ring around now. So from the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line across, connecting that together, arching this over and in. We'll do the same on the right, bringing this all the way out and then in on the side. Now on the left, as we come up, we're going to arch this line around, over, bringing this in towards the middle. And then we'll do the same on the right, bringing this around. And then blending that line back in together. Let's close off the bottom of the body now on the left-hand side, arching this line around and in towards the center. We'll step across on the right and replicate that, blending that in. Now let's draw in our legs. So on the right-hand side, we're going to bring this line down, across, and then back up. To the right of this, arching this out. And then we're going to bring this line up on the side. Now to the left of that, we're going to curve this back out. And then again from that corner, just bringing that back up in the middle. Now on the left-hand side again, we're going to bring this line down, over, and then up on the right. And then closing off the feet, we're just going to draw in a curved line as we come across on each leg. And that is it. That's how you draw baby Vaca Saturno Saturnita from Italian Brainrot. You can pause the video and color the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.